You find someone who feels like home, and then, slowly, the exact traits that made you fall in love with them become the reasons you want to pull your hair out.
Psychologists call it complementary attraction. We are subconsciously drawn to people who carry the exact traits we are missing inside ourselves.
If you're rigid and anxious, you fall for someone calm and spontaneous. At first, they balance you out, but give it 2 years and that same difference turns into a war zone.
What started as balance turns into a tug-of-war. You try to fix them, they try to change you, and suddenly your safe space feels like a courtroom.
The hard truth? Most people don't break up because they stopped caring. They break up because their nervous systems don't know how to handle safety without drama.
Real love isn't a magical puzzle piece that fits instantly. It's 2 separate operating systems learning how to share the same server without crashing.
Step 1. Stop treating your partner's differences as an attack on your code. When they react differently, they aren't fighting you, they're just running a different program. Step 2. Drop your ego. In an argument, you don't need to win the case. If your partner loses, you both lose the relationship. Isolation is comfortable because nobody can hurt you there. But true connection requires the terrifying courage to let someone see your broken source code.
When you stop trying to change people and start accepting how they're wired, the chaos stops, and peace finally takes over.
Love is the ultimate system design project. It takes patience, debugging, and a daily choice to build something that lasts.
If you want to understand the psychology behind how we connect, hit subscribe. Let's build better relationships together.